What you doing? What you doing?
Floating the floor to see if I can fix our mess up.
I said we should just have the people come in and install the floor.
Yeah, when you said that, I said no.
Okay, so what you got here?
A mock floor of our closet.
Now, just so we understand, these are the boxes. This box is completely the wrong color altogether. Yeah, there we go. That's the complete wrong color. These cannot be used. These are the good ones. So, I assume this is the length of our closet, which is 167 inches by 70 inches wide. And I assume my lovely husband, get y'all in focus. Come on, focus. There you go. Is putting it together in the most even way ever. Not staggered at all. Not staggered at all. Okay, so now that the floor is down and he's actually laid them out, I hate the color. Like, I genuinely hate this color.
I wouldn't have to cut. Well, I would have to cut the inner piece.
Yeah.
But now this just brought it down to where we need.
I hate the color.
Agreed.
Like, this would not go with a nice white closet.
No.
It would just be like, y'all just threw this together. This ain't even.
It looks fake.
Like, this look like I paid $200, baby. That's what you're saying?
Yeah. It looked like you paid 50 cents.
But if it was a deal, it's a deal.
I mean, but here's the catch. Here's the plus. We can use it somewhere else. Okay, so this is what's left. And this is what I laid down as an example. And thus far, this is the closet floor. Minus some here and there's. But yeah, this floor really sucks. So I'm gonna use it somewhere else, like in the laundry room. But definitely, there is enough.
Excuse me.
You're replacing the carpet?
No.
Oh, I already thought you were.
Okay. So, after a huge intermission, had to take my nephew to go get. Gosh, why is this not auto focusing? I changed my settings. Okay, so Serenity had a game. Smari had an appointment, so went and did that. But we decided that we're gonna put this floor in the laundry room. I can't see myself looking at that every day in my closet. Like, it's nice. It's nice enough to go in the laundry room. That's as far as, yeah, that's the only room that's gonna be found in. So that's how I feel about that. My hair looks a little wonky. It was a little crimped, but you know. Yeah, so it is my understanding that Maurice is going to finish ripping out Okay, bring him. He's gonna finish taking all this stuff out and putting it on, excuse me, that side of the room, which is currently my office side, but he's gonna take all this stuff out and put it up in there so that I said quarter.
Corner.
It's a quarter.
That's a corner.
It's 1/4. So I am headed focused downstairs so I can show you guys some other organizing stuff. We've been buying hangers. That home store had them the cheapest. Let's see. Yeah, that home store had them cheapest, $9.99 for a pack of 25. And Home Goods, TJ Maxx, all of them, they had it for $11.99, $12.99. So yeah, stop buying that. But eventually we'll get here. These are about too old anyway, so it's time to repurchase a new washer and dryer. But as you can see, these ugly floors that came with the house, we're going to use that floor for. Okay, so I was trying to get myself together to do the closet in there. I did do this closet, which is in my guest room, which is my catch-all closet. So all of my extras and stuff that I'm not ready to put in its proper place goes here. Even Christmas gifts, because nobody comes down here. But one of the things that I bought were these swatted things. Wrong side. These little things to hang mops and brooms on. I bought 2 because I feel like I think I'm going to put them on the door, and I would rather it be secure at the top and the bottom, like the broom be secure at the top and the bottom and locked in. That way when you open the door, it's not swinging, if that makes sense. And I've got 2 or 3 more shelves and brackets to buy for that closet before it's done. But I'll definitely show you guys and give you like a price estimate. This closet was $100 to do. This particular closet, I bought the unit as one of those expandable units from Home Depot. And this closet in the hallway, actually, I actually pieced together the design based on what I'm using it for. In that closet, I'm going to store my decor, like seasonal decor and stuff, or my entertaining decor. So I didn't want to have to go all the way in the basement to get something and come back up. This closet, like I said, is my catch-all. And then the closet in the bathroom right behind me, that closet is specifically for first aid, home stuff and stuff. I did a video on it. I'll attach it. That bathroom, I did not change the shelves out. All I did was utilize some container storage bins and organize like that. I have to finish labeling them. I have yet to do that. That has not been on my priority list. And that's been done since like summer. So I know we're still in some, but like May, June it's been done. So, but I will keep you guys updated and I will continue to show you guys the process. But this video, in order to keep it from being super drawn out, I'm going to cut it here. So yeah.